What's up, future engineers and awesome inventors? Alex here, and welcome back to the channel where we make science super fun. Have you ever felt a big gust of wind push you? It's pretty powerful, right? Well, today, we are going to capture that power. We're going to build our very own super fast wind-powered cars using simple stuff you probably have at home right now. We'll learn how to make them go faster, and then we'll race them. It's going to be an epic adventure into science and speed. Are you ready? Let's get building. All right, team, let's gather our materials. First, you'll need a piece of cardboard for the body of your car. A small rectangle, maybe the size of your hand, is perfect. Next, grab 4 bottle caps. These will be our wheels. We also need 2 plastic straws and 2 wooden skewers that can fit right through the straws. And for the most important part, our engine, we need a piece of paper and another straw to be our mast. Finally, you'll need some scissors and tape. Make sure to ask a grown-up for help with the scissors if you need it. Got everything? Awesome! Let the construction begin. First up, let's build the chassis. That's the base of our car. Take your cardboard rectangle. Now, we need to attach the axles for our wheels. An axle is the rod that the wheels spin on. We're going to use our straws for this. Take 1 straw and tape it across the bottom of the cardboard, near one end. Make sure it's straight. Now do the same with the other straw at the other end. These 2 straws will hold our wheels. It should look like your cardboard has 2 little tunnels underneath. Easy peasy, right? Our car's foundation is ready to roll. Now for the wheels. This part is super cool. Carefully, and I mean super carefully, ask a grown-up to help you poke a small hole in the center of each of your 4 bottle caps. The hole should be just big enough for your wooden skewer to go through. Once you have the holes, it's time to assemble our wheel sets. Take 1 skewer and slide it all the way through one of your taped-on straws. Now, push a bottle cap onto each end of the skewer. Make sure the caps can spin freely, but don't let them fall off. You can add a tiny piece of tape or a dab of glue on the very tip of the skewer to hold the wheel in place. Repeat this for the other axle. And voila! Your car has wheels. Give it a little push. See how it rolls? Amazing! Okay, our car can roll, but it can't move on its own yet. We need to capture the wind. Let's build our sail. Take your last straw and stand it up straight in the middle of your cardboard. Use a good amount of tape at the bottom to create a strong base so it won't fall over. This is our mast, just like on a real sailboat. Now, for the sail itself, take your piece of paper. You can decorate it if you want. Make it your own. Once you're ready, simply tape one edge of the paper to the mast. And there you have it. A wind-powered car, ready for action. You've just built a vehicle that runs on nothing but air. How incredible is that? Now comes the really fun part, the science experiment. This is where you become a real engineer. Your first car is a great start, but can we make it better? Faster? Let's try changing one thing at a time. First, let's experiment with the sail. What happens if you use a bigger piece of paper? Does it catch more wind and go faster? Or is it too heavy? Try it out. What if you use a smaller sail? Now, think about the shape. Does a square sail work better than a triangle? Or maybe a long, skinny one? Test each one and see what happens. This is how engineers improve their designs by testing and learning. Next up, let's think about weight. Is a lighter car always faster? Or does a heavier car have more stability? Try taping a small coin or a pebble onto your car. Does it move faster or slower when you blow on the sail? What if you add 2 coins? By adding and removing weight, you're learning all about mass and momentum. Another idea. What about the sail's angle? Instead of taping it flat, what if you curve it a little? Or angle it to the side? See how that changes the way your car catches the wind. There are so many possibilities. Don't be afraid to try weird and wacky ideas. Sometimes the craziest ideas lead to the best inventions. All right, inventors, are your wind-powered racers ready? I've got 3 of my own designs here. This one has a huge sail. This one is super light with a small sail, and this one has a curved sail. I've set up a start line and a finish line right here on my table. The mission is simple. Use wind power only to get your car across the finish line. You can blow on it, or if you have a fan, you can set it up to create a steady wing. Ready, set, go. Whoa, look at that. The one with the big sail took off so fast. But wait, the lightweight one is catching up. And the curved sail car is really stable. It's a close race. Yes, the big sail car wins. But every car made it, which is a total success. So what did we learn today? We learned that wind is a powerful natural source of energy. We use that energy to make something move. That's the basic idea behind windmills, sailboats, and even giant wind turbines that make electricity for our homes. You didn't just build a toy today. You built a machine that demonstrates a huge scientific principle: energy transfer. You transferred the energy from your breath or the wind into motion. Every time you changed your sail or the car's weight, you were thinking like a scientist and an engineer, solving problems and trying to find the best design. That is so awesome. You guys did an absolutely amazing job today. You built, you experimented, and you raced with the power of science. I hope this inspired you to look at the world around you and ask questions. How do things work? How can I build that? Never stop being curious. Never stop creating. And never forget that science is everywhere, and it is super, super fun. What will you build next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for building with me today. Keep on inventing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.